In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a webhook in Lemlist. A webhook in Lemlist lets you automatically send data from your campaign to another tool in real time, like your CRM or automation platform. First, log into your preferred tool like Zapier, and from here, click Create Zap. For the trigger, search and select Webhooks by Zapier. Then, choose Catch Hook. Then next, click on Continue until you get to the test session. Zapier will generate a custom webhook URL, so just copy that link. Next, go to your Lemlist account. Then in the bottom left corner, click on your profile icon, then Open Settings. Then in the left panel, click on Integrations, then go to API and Webhooks tab. In the Webhooks Management section, you may be asked to paste the webhook URL from the tool you want to connect, and in this case, it's Zapier. Then choose the events you want to track. For example, you can trigger a webhook when a prospect opens an email, replies, or clicks a link. Now go back to Zapier and click Test Trigger to make sure Lemlist is sending data correctly. And from there, Lemlist will now automatically send data to your connected tool whenever those actions happen. No manual work needed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use our affiliate link in the description.